Good morning, children. This is class 7th science children. Okay, up till the 14th lesson I completed, right, children? So this is 5th lesson. Soil and life. Okay, remove page number, textbook page number 138. Okay, let us try to find out the answer to some of the questions. For this, let us do some activity. Okay, unfulfillment of soil. Work in a group of 3 to 4 students. List out the way in which soil is useful. Okay, so what happened, children? Here you have to make a group. How many? 2 to 3 students. How soil is useful to us? This we are going to learn in this lesson. How soil is useful to us. Okay, Rafi and Vasanta were asked by a teacher to make model of some vegetable. They collected some soil from the garden, mixed the soil with water and made some models. They were not satisfied as something. Their model would break when they tried to shape them. The surface of the model was rough, not smooth. Rafi's grandmother saw them doing this and said, to make model, you have to collect some soil from the bank a village pound with which is sticky. Guess what soil of the grass was not sufficient to make model? Why was grandmother suggested useful? Are soils different from place to place? Yes. How is soil useful to us? Yes. What soil is made up of? Okay. Can you say soil is one of the most important source like water, air? Why? Okay, children. Now see, here Rafi and Vasanta, they were 2 students. Okay, children. They were asked by the teachers to make models with the help of the soil. Models means what, children? Do you know what is model? Model is nothing but like a teacher asks you to we make models with help of the clay also. Like we make brinjal, we make carrot, we make apple, we make banana. Yes or no? We can make different types of things with the help of the clay. How clay is used? How clay is made, children? It is also made with the mud only. So here we have different types of soil. There is no one soil. There are different types of soil. So in this lesson we are going to learn about that. Okay. So what happened? What the granny said when they were making with the help of the soil, what they were making clay. So what happened? The clay was little rough. When you take a thing, it will be round. When you want to make a shape. Now for example, children, the shape of the mango will be like this. Yes or no? The shape of the apple is like this. When you make these shapes, what happens? It breaks. Yes or no, children? Now you make brinjal also. Yes or no? With the help of the clay, you make brinjal also. It's easy. Okay. So when you make the shapes, if it is soft, we can make it easily. When it is hard, it takes little difficult. It is little difficult. So it breaks. Okay, when you are making the shapes. So same like that only. When they were making it, it's breaking off. So what the granny was looking at them and she said, okay children, you are going to the where near the pound, village pound, you find a clay. So what happened? You see, soil is the uppermost layer of the earth crust. It is found of rocks, organs, material called human. It is one of the most important natural sources. It supports the living organism. We can use soil for different processes in our daily life. Almost all things of our surroundings directly or indirectly depend on soil. So here soil is a very important part. Okay. So how soil is used in our daily life, and it is used directly or indirectly around our surroundings. Okay. Can you say soil is one of the most important source like water and air? The soil supports all plants, animals, microorganisms, almost all the things in our surroundings, directly, indirectly, depend on soil. For example, a pot made by direct man from soil, but a wooden chair is indirect from tree which depend on soil. So here, how many of us are depend on soil? Who all are depend on soil? Plants and animals and microorganisms. These three are depend on soil, like how in direct way and indirect way. Now in direct way, how sand is used, now you see, at home you have pots, right children? In summer season, this season what we used to do, in some house they won't have fridge, yes or no? If you have fridge, you won't use of pot. So those who won't have fridge, what they do children, they get pot and they pour water. What happens? They pour water and they tie a wet cloth around the pot. So what happens? The water inside the pot, it becomes cool. So how the pot is used children? With the help of the mud. It is directly used. Now indirectly how? Like wooden chair. Wooden chairs are used indirectly. Okay. Soil in our life. Rafi and Vasu went to make a list of things that are directly and indirectly related to soil. Help them with a list. So what happened here? Rafi and Vasu, they both, what they did children? They made a list. How soil is used for them directly and indirectly. So what are the things? See here. Pot, wooden chair. Things directly related to soil. Things indirectly related to soil. Now you see. Directly what is related? See. Plants, tree, elephant modes and bricks. Wooden chair indirectly. Wooden chair, benches, pencil, wooden frame. Okay, these are depend on soil, which are directly. Now plants, trees, animals are bricks, are directly used. They made a list. Now I will give you homework children. See, make a list 10. How soil is used directly and other 10 indirectly. Now we are Rafi and Vasu. They have given us. Okay, how many examples they have given us? 5. I will give you 10. Okay, find out. What do you observe in the finding this? Tell that's in a daily life activity closer related to soil. In addition to agriculture, we depend on soil for construction of houses, making toys. Yes or no? So soil is used. Human being cannot live without air and water. In the same way, soil is also. Okay? See children, what happens? We need air, we need water to live. Yes or no? It is must. Without water and without air, is it life possible children? No. Same like that, only soil also is very important for us. Now children, how soil? We need, with the help of the soil only bricks will happen. When you see construction, yes or no? What are the things useful? Bricks, sand, yes or no? Cement, everything. So if you want to build a house, hospitals or schools, buildings, bungalows, whatever it is, with the help of the soil only we can build. So soil is, see in how many ways soil are useful. Okay? During festival like Vinayaka Chauthi, people use idol of Ganesh made up of plastics and chemical colors which causes several damage to the environment. Instead of the chemical idols, we should use clay idols and celebrate festival in eco-friendly way. So what happens children? You know Ganesh Chauthi, yes or no? What you people do? All boys are very happy when the festival comes, yes or no? Because you dance, you play with water, you go to Tangman, yes or no children? So boys like this festival a lot. So how Ganesh is made children? It is made up of clay. So here what they are doing, they are using some chemical, soil and chemical colors. They are using and making a different big idols. Yes or no? Big, like 7 feet, 8 feet, 10 feet they make, yes or no? With the help of the soil only. So what, they are using some chemicals, it is harmful for us. Yes or no? So what, with the help of the clay if you do, it's not harmful. When you put it into the water, it dissolves, it gets melted. Yes or no children? Okay, so with the help of this, see how soil is useful children for us. It is used to make pots, it is used for plants, it is used for trees, and with the help of the sand we make houses. Yes or no children? And it is useful for animals, and we make pencils and we make idols. Is it clear children? And I am giving you homework how soil is useful for us directly and indirectly. Write 10. Is it clear? And after class I will continue the next class. Is it clear children? Okay, once you all read